Right then, it's time for another Harry Potter Hogwarts build. And we're doing set 6386, which is, what's it called again? Hogwarts Polyjuice Potion Mistake. Another one of those 20th anniversary ones with the gold minifig. So I thought I'd do this. It's a quick one. It's only like 215 pieces or something. So I thought I'd get this one done. Hope you enjoy it. And this is just finished work, so it's kind of midnight. But I thought I'd just get it done. Couldn't resist. So let's open it up. I have opened it just to check that it was the actual thing that I bought. You know how it is. Hopefully everything will be there. Let's see. Okay. It'd be like that right here. Right. Box. Need to do the box. Forgot to do the box first. I'm just good. Right. Okay. So right here. This is basically it. It's a very small set. How is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minifigs. Well, 4. Sorry, 3 minifigs. But you can turn. I think you could turn Hermione into what it is that she turned into. So yeah. It's 3 minifigs plus the gold minifig, and you get 2 collectible wizard cards as well. So I wonder if I'll get different ones. So yeah, pretty basic set, pretty small. Good artwork on the box as per normal. Wizarding World, and then here's the minifigs. And sorry, this is the one she turns into a cat with whiskers. Okay, I love that part of the film. It's very fun. Looks like it also has like secret opening here. So let's see. Let's open it up again. It is midnight. I am tired, you know. But yeah, look at that. 2 whole bags. Nice. 1, 2. Look good. Look at the manual. See if there's anything in the manual. Probably not. We'll run into information. No. Bag 1. You've got a couple of. Well, you've got 3. 2. Sorry, 2 minifigs, including the gold one. And then another 2 in back 2, so should be fun, should be quick. I'll do my normal speed build. See you when I finish building it. knew that was going to be quick, but I didn't realize it was going to be that quick. But hey, now this is the set as it comes. Okay, so they're taking their potions and then they turn into the other students. We have different hair pieces here when they turn into the other students. And of course, Hermione has got her normal hair, and when she turns into a cat. Here's the 20-year minifig. Gold one, which is cool. There, the potions. And we've got the two collectibles here. I'll have to check and see. Now, this very, very clever. Hidden room. Place. Toilet door. Pretty cool. And toilet, of course. The other two sinks. Now I'm hiding something because I need to show you something in a second. And then you've got the building itself at the back. Obviously these studs are to join it up with another part of the set. So yeah, I'm quite really pleased with that. Now, as far as I was concerned, there was one minifigure missing. And it's this one, which I bought. Moaning Myrtle. Is it Moaning Myrtle? I think it's Moaning Myrtle. So I got Moaning Myrtle a little while ago because I think she's great. She makes me laugh, and she is. Sad. That's it. Built pretty quick, as you probably could tell. Nice that you've got the options of the hair pieces. This really quite sturdy. You've got mirrors. These are like chrome stickers. Sticker sheet here. There's one little uncut piece of chrome on there, so that's quite cool. That was a nice touch. The toilet was definitely a nice touch. I thought there was going to be toilet roll. I thought that's what these were for. But obviously, no, they are the columns. They look like toilet. Anyway, little bits of brick, different colours. Nice, I really liked it. Very quick. And you know, what does that take me? 30 minutes, 35 minutes, something like that, just to build this. So yeah, I was quite happy with that. Going to be building next. Got it here somewhere. Hold on a second. That's the next one in the 20-year anniversary that I'll build. That's the first flying lesson. And that one comes with another gold minifig, which is Professor Quirrell. So that'll be good fun. It's another small one to build. I'll do that probably tomorrow. When I wake up, get that one done. And of course, these all do join together, so that's going to be good fun putting those together. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Simple build. Looks good. Great minifigs, but like I say, Moaning Myrtle should definitely be in this set because she's the star as far as I'm concerned of that film in that part. And she's laughing at Hermione being a cat, always crying, showing Harry, telling Harry about going into the water in the bath with his shell. Just things like that. I thought she was great. She was a brilliant character. So yeah, I did buy this quite a while ago. Maybe she should be like standing up there or even standing here. She's a ghost. But yeah, there you go, finished. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'm gonna go to bed now. I think I need to smash the like button. subscribe if you could. Tell your friends, share it, comments, please. Make it worthwhile doing all these videos. But I do enjoy doing them. I do enjoy building them, and thank you for watching, those of you that watch. And I'll see you next time. Yeah, here we go. I'm going to turn it off now, okay?